If you're thinking about trying Saranova Beauty, especially their micro-infusion kit, you might want to hold off for a second. They claim to boost collagen, improve serum absorption by 300%, and show visible results after just one use. They also brag about having over 100,000 happy customers and offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. But when you take a closer look, things start to fall apart. That so-called money-back guarantee? Many customers say it's a scam. Countless people report being ignored when they request refunds. Others never even receive their orders, and if they do, the product often feels cheap and ineffective. Customer service is practically non-existent, with emails going unanswered and refund requests getting ignored. Some even report unauthorized charges on their accounts. Then there's the claim that their product is clinically proven and recommended by dermatologists. But there's no actual evidence to support that. The supposed doctors featured on their website, Dr. Dora Mattis and Dr. Elena Dingolari, don't exist. They're just stock photos used on other scam websites. Fake endorsements are always a huge red flag. Their Trustpilot page is full of 5-star reviews, but a deeper look reveals that many are likely fake, with repetitive wording and similar writing styles. Meanwhile, real customer complaints on social media often get deleted. Reports of long shipping delays, unexpected charges, and even skin irritation from the product are everywhere. Saranova Beauty claims their products are made in the USA, but many customers say they arrive from China. The same microneedling kit can be found on Alibaba for less than $10. It's just another cheap product marked up and sold as a premium beauty solution. With fake reviews, misleading claims, and questionable business practices, Saranova Beauty raises several red flags. While it may not be outright fraudulent, these issues make it difficult to trust the brand completely. If you're still considering a purchase, just be cautious and manage your expectations.